Country at its finest, congressman who once declared Joe Biden an honorary black man, under fire again for comparing the president to Martin Luther King Jr. Few politicians outside of the Biden family invested as much in Joe Biden's 2020 run for the presidency as South Carolina Congressman James Clyburn. Biden came to South Carolina with his campaign on live sport. He finished outside the top three in Iowa and New Hampshire. He was having trouble securing black voters without the support of that large voting bloc. He wouldn't win South Carolina. A defeat there would have pretty much railroaded Biden's presidential ambition for a third time. Biden needed Clyburn's endorsement. His supporter was key to winning over black voters. In return, Clyburn required a guarantee. Nominate the first black woman to the US Supreme Court and announce it before the primary. Biden made the vow. Clyburn made the endorsement, and South Carolina black voters coalesced around Biden, sending him on a path to the nomination. And 2 years later, Kutaji Brown Jackson was nominated to the High Court, all thanks largely to Clyburn. So it comes as no surprise that when it comes to assessing Biden's presidency, Clyburn will be regarding on a steep curve. But even then, his comments in August comparing Biden to Martin Luther King Jr. went well beyond the usual partisan profit. Very few agree with the congressman then and now, with Biden's last day as president on the Monday coinciding with the national holiday remembering the slain civil rights icon, the comparison is resurfacing and judging by social media. Time has not seemed to change any minds. Here's the comment in full from an interview by Clyburn on MSNBC's Morning Joe. COVID-19 opened up some fault lines in the country and we are about pairing them. He said that's what Joe Biden did. And I think that people are going to look at Joe Biden much the way we look at Martin Luther King Jr. when he said in speech, it does not matter how long you live, but how well you live. In truth, the country is just as polarized, if not more so than it was 4 years ago, comparing a steadfast man of peace to a president who supported Israel's relentless bombing campaign in Palestine also seem a bit off. And Biden is more than twice as old as King was when he died by an assassin's bullet in 1968. This is no for his admiration of Biden. In 2020, the African American congressman faced backlash for declaring Biden an honorary black man. Perhaps Clyburn should aim a little all over next time. Maybe Harry Truman. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks.